Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Oh man, Tesla is having a fun day today. We're looking at the 4 hour chart here, and I'm going to go through it. We'll talk about um, when the Fed's going to cut rates, what the chatter is out there on it, and it was an exciting night. And let's see. Currently, we're at 201.30, and I am short right now. Plan on holding out for 177. Grandma's got to buy in at 180. Give you some indications. We had a low today so far of 182. We opened at 185, and I expect that we're going to close above the open. Probably, speculation. It's so wild. I'm thinking maybe 187, 190 area. We should close. Um, but I'll go through the charts. But one thing I wanted to talk to you about before I talk about what the Fed's doing is if you Google if you Google Robinhood 24-hour trading, I never knew this until last night. Would have made my life a lot easier. So last night at 2 a.m. in the morning, or actually early this morning at 2 a.m., uh, Tesla had gone down to 185, and then within 5 minutes it went down to 180. So 180 is really the the real low of today in pre-market. So now I can't start trading till 7 a.m. But here's trading hours. The problem with Robinhood is you can only go long. To my knowledge, to the best of my knowledge, you can only go up. You cannot short. But all that being said, Monday through Friday from 12 a.m. to 8 p.m. at night, Eastern Time. 12 a.m. to 8 p.m. Uh, Monday through Friday, you can trade. So that's a pretty good range. And then from 12 a.m. to 5 p.m. Uh, on a half day. So on a half day, you can trade all the way from 12 a.m. to 5 p.m. And on Sundays, it starts at 8 p.m. at night and it goes till 8 p.m. Eastern. So, uh, during the week, it just literally pretty much goes round the clock, 24 hours a day. But on Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern to 8 p.m. Eastern. Hope I said that right. 8 a.m. No, yeah, 8 p.m. 8 o'clock Sunday night, you can start trading, and it goes till 8 p.m. Friday, nonstop. So that's the way it is. Okay, so the Fed, what are they doing? Um, I've heard rumors that um, they may cut yet, depending on what these markets all do. The Nasdaq was down as much as 6% at one point. I think they're down about 2.5% now. Um, she's nasty. Um, huge problems with economics in Japan, uh, the war over in Israel with Iran and all that garbage, as well as Ukraine and Russia. So lot of fear out there, and now I've heard rumors that the Fed may drop if they do the emergency deal. They may go as much as 2 full points, uh, 1 to 2 points. I've also heard that it would just be like a half a point, and some of the talk right now is that they're going to try to hold out for the September meeting and try to get by with just doing a half a point, which is double what they were thinking about doing the last time he talked. So that was, they were talking about doing a quarter point. So now they're talking about doing a half a point. And who knows what they'll do. Depends on what this market does, how far it crashes. And now let's look at that a little bit real quick. Oh, don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice, and like, share, and subscribe if you would. So let's look at this, what the charts are saying. Okay, we have an absolute sell signal still in the 4 hour. And, I think we're going to end the day with a sell signal, but you just don't never know. So we hit 180 at 2 a.m. this morning. We hit 182 in regular trading. Right on the nose, it hit 182. Grandma's trying to buy at 180, but I'm looking to sell at 170. Rebuy my shares. I'm short. I'm looking to rebuy at 177.30, I think, or something like that is what I got figured out. And do I think it's going to go lower than that? Yes, I do, considerably. But that's a real strong place of resistance, the 170 area, right? I mean, look at this going back. This is a terrific area of resistance right through here. So, but where are we headed? Well, we are headed for 149. That's where we're going. I'm hoping to get a bounce there, up, $7-10, whatever, and short again. That's the game I'm playing. So we're looking at, this crazy market. It could be 2 days or a week or one day that you see 149. I'm under the thought that they're gonna try to drive us up some and give us a bull trap. Now here's the daily. Okay, this trend line goes back 3 years. We are below it again. Best case scenario, it comes back up to this thing, and right now it's at 224, 225. So on the high end, I don't. It pushed through up to 271 and come right back off of it in 3 years. So I don't see it going much past this 225. If they could even muster that at this point. But, they're going to do everything they can to scare everybody to death. So we'll look at the weekly. I mean, these are strong, strong sell signals. Here's the weekly. Beautiful textbook sell signal. Here you can see the almost 3 years of trend line coming down. And here's the trend line on the bottom side. You're looking at 149. So, and I believe she's going to go right through that bus eventually. You know, you should get a bounce in that area, maybe $10 or something. That's what I'm thinking. But I see 101.07 in our future. And it'll happen quick. Probably happen when we can't trade. that's what they do. But I'm under the thought that right now $77.77 is probably pretty close to where we're going to stop when it's over with. We got some tough economic times ahead, and it's all good. It's going to be okay, and you're just going to make a lot of money. Just be patient, wait for a buying opportunity, and that's all I know about that. Okay, I'm sure I forgot 10 things, but we'll talk later. I'll probably try to come on after the close. Grandpa's babysitting. Oh, I'm getting a call. Okay, think about eternity. Grandpa does. Bye-bye.